Complaints regarding the Department of Foreign Affairs passport appointment system are now trending on social media. Most of the complaints are about the lack of slots for appointments. Some complainants relate that they were advised to go a travel agent who can process their passport application for a large fee. One complainant also posted his conversation with an alleged agent asking for 2,500 pesos in exchange of a DFA confirmed appointment. Dina, not her true name, attested that the said scheme exists.
Punta po sana kami ng US noong December. Lagi po kasi kami pupunta ng Christmas doon. Kaso wala na pong available na slot. Kasi po sa Manila, Baguio, Angeles, Calasiao, wala po Tapos magtagal po mga December po nakita ko, may nakapost nga po na may slot daw na available. Pero sa travel agency po siya.
She claims that the agency asked for 2,500 pesos for her to get an appointment.
Ang bayad daw po, 2,500 pa schedule. Iba pa raw po yung babayaran dun sa passport sa Baguio. Baguio po para daw, yun daw po yung 2,500 na yun, binabayad lang daw po niya dun sa tao sa DFA.
Aside from this, a Facebook page that carries the name DFA Passport Appointment Legit was also created offering slots for passport appointments. Administrator of this Facebook page also charges 2,500 pesos fee to be paid through money or bank transfer. According to AXOFW Representative Anicito Bertiste, the problem with online appointments has been a long-running issue and has already been tackled with the Foreign Affairs Department. DFA Secretary Alan Peter Cayetano is expected to tackle the issue on passport appointment system tomorrow. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, Pasay City.